Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome back to another exciting episode of the Filmora editing tutorial series. Today we are diving deep into that edit menu in episode 5. Hi there fellow editors, I am Mr. Lutfur and I am thrilled to be your guide through this creative journey with Filmora. Alright, let's jump right in. As you can see, we are inside Filmora and we are going to explore the edit menu, which is packed with powerful tools to elevate your editing game. So let's get started. Okay dear viewers, now I am in the desktop screen, so let's get started. At first I will open Filmora 13. Yes, this is my one kind of project to show you how to use your edit menu. So if you import a media into the timeline, then the edit menu will be active. This is the edit menu. If you select the video option, then the edit menus all option will be active. So this is the edit menu, important menu from the Filmora, by which you can edit everything into the video. So now I will discuss one after another from the very beginning. So let's get started. At first we are watching that undo section. Undo sections, shortcut key is Ctrl+Z. You are familiar to this shortcut key. If you undo something, then you can click undo or press Ctrl+Z. Such for example, if I cut this video by clicking the cut menu, then this video portion has been cut, and now if you undo this section, we can use our shortcut key by pressing Ctrl+Z. Wow, done. And if you again use your undo section by going to the edit menu, then click the undo. Yes, in this two way we can undo our activities into the videos timeline. So we will go now to the redo section, Ctrl+V. In the same way, yes, again go to the edit menu, then click redo. The video portion has been cut. Look, now you can again click the undo. You can perform this activity. You can use redo section by using keyboard shortcut by Ctrl+V, Ctrl+V. Now undo, Ctrl+V. If I press the Ctrl+V, this is the redo, Ctrl+V. This is the shortcut key, Ctrl+V. My shortcut is not working, so you can use this redo option by going to the edit menu, then click the redo. Okay, Yes. So now we will go to the another important option from the edit menu, cut. You can cut this the playhead option here. It is the very easy. If you want to cut this portion of this video, then click the scissors icon here. Just click, the video has been cut, and we can undo it by using shortcut menu of the keyboard Ctrl+Z. Yes. Now we will go to the next menu, copy. If you want to copy the some portion of the video, then you can copy it by using the edit menu. Just go to the edit and click copy. The video portion will be copied here, and now I will paste here. Yes, you can use paste button also by going to the edit menu. Yes, this is the paste, very easy. So now we will go to the next portion of this edit menu. Yes, this is the duplicate. If you want to duplicate video, then you can use it. Just I will at first select this, the portion of the video, then go to the file edit menu, then click the duplicate. The duplicate video, look, the duplicate video has been added here. Very simple. Now I will go to the undo section, Ctrl+Z, then again go to the edit section, delete. You can delete this video by clicking the delete option. Again undo. You can delete it by using your shortcut using your keyboard. Just press the del. Yes, delete. Then again Ctrl+Z. By clicking another way, just click the right button. At first you have to select the portion of the video. Just click the right button, then go to the delete option. Yes, we can delete some portion of the video many ways. Just three. We have used just 3 ways. You can delete something by using 3 ways of this technique. So now I will go Ctrl+Z. Now I go to the edit menu. Now the ripple delete, very important and very handy and useful option, ripple delete. What is the ripple delete? Just let me see you. Just I will cut this section, 2 section of this video I have cut. Now I want to remove this video, and the rest of the video part will be added to the previous part of the video. Look, at first I have to click this video, then go to the edit menu, then click the ripple delete. Yes, the middle part of the video has been deleted. This is called ripple delete. Just again Ctrl+Z. You can use it by using the shortcut menu. What is the shortcut menu? Ripple delete, Shift+del. Now go to the shortcut way, Shift+del. Now we will press the Shift+del. Wow, amazing. Shift+del. Remember your shortcut key, Shift+del. Ctrl+Z. Yes, this is a very handy and useful software for our editing video. Sometimes we need to cut the some portion of the video to eliminate or delete unnecessary part of the video as well. So you can use it. now what is the next option here? People delete. Okay, now I will select and go to the there are another option, select all. If you click select all, the all video portion of all video segment of this timeline will be select. Then you can select all the video by Ctrl+A. You can select by pressing the shortcut key of the keyboard, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+A. All select has been completed here. You can select all by going to edit menu, then select all. Yes. What is the next option here? Effect. Yes, important segment of this edit option. If you apply some effect of this video, suppose I will add some effect of this video footage here. I go to the color here. Now I will change the color of this video part. So now I can use blockbuster. This is a blockbuster, and this is the one kind of effect. If you want to delete effect, then you can go to the effect option, then click the delete effect. The effect, all kind of effect has been deleted. This is the very useful option here. We can use this effect option for deleting some effect of this video. This is the effect option. You can see here, this is I have applied one effect here. If I select this video, then go to the edit menu and go to the effect, then delete effect, then the video will be as usual, as it was before. Look, now I will go to the Ctrl+Z. Look, difference, hey, difference here. So this is the way we can use delete option, and we can use copy effect. Yes, at first you have to select the video footage, then go to the edit option and go to the effect option, then copy effect, then paste effect. Then I will paste the necessary effect into this video footage here. Just select, at first you have to select the video part and then go to the edit menu, then effect, then paste effect. Wow, there is no difference here now. All video part as it is, it was before, and it was previous mode. So we can use this edit menu, very useful edit menu. I think this is the main important segment of the Filmora. If we can learn this option very efficiently, then we will be very expert in video editing by using Filmora. That's all today. I hope you are enjoying my video, and you will know very important tips for Filmora. If you want to be a professional video editor, you have no option for using this Filmora, because Filmora is worldwide software for beginner. So you have to learn it, you have to examine it, you have to practice it at first. Then you have to go to the another very heavy software like as Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. So that's all for today. I'm inviting you to watch my another rest of the video part relating to this video series, tutorial series, Filmora video editing series. So that's all. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.